Good morning to all of you. I hope I'm audible.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So we are going to discuss the quiz problems. So we'll start from question 1. So in question 1, a single band 7-bit image is acquired in near infrared band. Okay. The pixel values from clear water area are. You need to choose the correct option. See, first you need to understand how much information is given in the question itself. So the band information is given, near infrared band, the image is acquired. Okay. It's a 7-bit image. It means if you see the range of digital numbers in the image, so that range will be from 0 to 127. Correct? And the image in NIR band acquired from two objects, acquired from only one object, that is clear water. What you need to see, like what is the spectral signature of water, first you should know. When you analyze the spectral signature of water, that talks about how much reflectance we get from the water in NIR band. Okay. So there you see that the clear water does not reflect energy in at any wavelength outside of visible spectrum. So near infrared band, it is less than 3 micrometer. NIR band is in the NIR band has the wavelength range that is less than 3 micrometers. So we know that from ground resolution cells which are from the clear water, the total outgoing energy is only the reflected energy. And water does not reflect energy in NIR band. What does this mean? It means from the ground resolution cell, energy that is outgoing, the energy component is 0. Okay. It means at the sensor, for that particular ground resolution cell, that sensor, there may be some atmospheric scatters, but they are very less. They are very less, and they can't cross the threshold limit of this spectral sensor that is there in NIR band. Okay. So corresponding to that ground resolution cell, due to very less energy, that is mainly due to the atmospheric scatters which are reaching over there at the sensor, that is sensitive in an IR band. So the output that will be given for that particular GRC in terms of digital number will be 0. Okay, so it will, if you see the image, so from the clear water zone, it looks black in color. Okay, so entire clear water zone, clear water area is blackish. Why it is so? Because energy is not reflected back. Okay, and corresponding to clear water areas, 0 digital number is assigned. And further, if you see the assignment of color for the digital number, so there is a linear transfer function. If DN number is 0, black color is assigned, and if DN number is 255, then white color is assigned in a grayscale image. In the second problem, it is related to the energy reflected, total outgoing energy from GRC, and what is the effect on outgoing energy when we change the spatial resolution. So I think in the last, in the ground resolution cell, on the total energy collected at the sensor. Okay. Area, and there are many points, infinite points. Okay, so when we change the area of GRC, then obviously more photons are combining. Okay, and more photon in the total outgoing energy, and they constitute energy that increases compared to the GRC, which has smaller area. So in this case, the conclusion is, if you increase the spatial resolution, it means you are increasing the ground resolution cell area. So more photons, the total energy that is outgoing from that area is increased. Reason is that more photons constitute, because more number of photons are reflected, they are outgoing from a different points in that area. Okay, so the correct option will be the spatial resolutions are given M1 and M2, where M1 is greater than M2. So obviously at larger spatial resolution, energy will be more. So the correct option is GRC with spatial resolution. Please tell me. Who is speaking? Okay, so the correct option is ground resolution cell with the spatial resolution M1.
सर
Okay.
सर इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन समझ में नहीं आया. Like, sir, how the